So welcome guys, the video I play JavaScript. So now we will learn together the difference between a let and var and const. Okay, let's start. Okay, we make a small command there, difference between var, let and const. Okay, to make the first test, var a equals to 5. Okay, next. Then if you want, you can make the console log to see the result on the console. Okay, the value of a equals to, and we make the a. Okay, save and take together and the result. Okay, we can inspect here, see on the console. Okay, congratulations, the value of a equals to 5. It were correct. Okay, then if you want, you can declare, for example, now we can declare the a, update the value to 30. Okay, let's see. Push it together. Okay, the value now is updated. Okay, congratulations. So for the var, we can update the value. Now if you want, we can test the left value. Let b equals to 17. So also we'll log there the result. The value of b equals to b. Save and see together the result. Like so. Okay, congratulations. The value of b equal to 17 is displayed. Okay. Now, if you want, we will test if you can update the b value. B equal to 35. Okay. Okay, congratulations. Is updated also successfully. Now we will test the const keyword. Okay, const c equals to 10. And then we can console log as well. Okay. The value of c equals to c. It should display the 10 on the console. Congratulations, the value of c equals to 10. Okay, now if you want, we can update our constant. C equal, for example, to 11. Save and see together. Okay, now we have an error because the assignment to constant variable is not allowed there. So we can update the variable of constant. Okay, we can make a small command there for the constant. Well, we can change the value like so. Okay, it's just a command to make things clear. Okay, so now if you want to can explain other things. Okay, and the naming rules if you want. So if you make the let value and we name it let equals to 10. Okay, save and see. We console also the variable of the let. Okay, and the value of the let is, and we make let there. Save and see together if it works correctly. So let is that allowed as a lexical bound name. So we can't use let to declare because it's a reserved keyword. Okay. Now, if you want, we can test also on other things. We can test the var also. It's also a reserved keyword. If you want to use this name 10h, so it not work correctly. You can also use the arabesque. This decorator is not allowed. Also, we can't use the not h. Okay, but we can use the underscore h, or for example, the $h. Okay, good job. It's so simple. Okay, there are some rules of naming on JavaScript. So if you have a long variable or like this, the first price, we can use now the communicate like so to see more readable output. Okay, also we can use the underscore like so to make it more readable. The first price. Okay, copy and paste to see the value of the first price. Okay, good job. The value of that is 10. Okay, congratulations. Okay, there are some rules of naming on JavaScript. Also, some difference between var, const, and let. Have a better love this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe.